So here I'm going to go for a Nandos style chicken, spatchcocked. So take out the backbone with a sharp knife, either side of the spine. If you've got some poultry shears, then use those. Take the backbone out and cut a little bit just in where the wishbone is, and then use your weight, flatten it out. I went for some Nandos lime and mango, lime and herb rub, and yeah, I wanted a light one that the children could enjoy, so went for that, sprinkled all over. Make sure nice and even coating. Cut some slashes into the thighs and into the breast. This lets the heat get right in and the flavour get right in, and helps it to cook evenly. A little bit more rub in there, and on the wings. Flip it over and then season the cavity nice and evenly again. I'm a big fan of the meter, so use my meter plus to nail the temperatures. That goes into the breast, right up to the mark and beyond. Such a great bit of kit, the meter. And onto the grill, skin side down, direct. We want to get this nice and charred. I'm looking for that nice charred skin on here. A little bit of cherry smoke worked a treat. And look at that, that's exactly what I was after. Nice and dark. And then hit it with some mango and lime peri peri marinade. That's going to work with that lovely char to make a nice umami, lovely crust. Sprinkle over liberally, and then I made up a big pan of like a spicy rice with peppers and onions and garlic and all sorts of good things. So it was about 80% of the way cooked, and then finish the chicken off on top. That'll keep it nice and moist, the chicken, and cook the chicken to 74 degrees C internal temperature. A few slices of lime in there, and then added some corn on the cob. I probably should have grilled the corn, but I might do that next time. But it's still pretty tasty. So the corn was parboiled, so it was almost cooked. And yeah, then a little bit of coriander leaf on top. Some fresh coriander just for a bit of herby punch to it. Some people don't like coriander, but I love it. It was ideal here. Sprinkle it all over. And lid down and cook for another 10-15 minutes, making sure the chicken's cooked to 74 degrees C internal. Should be nice and bubbling like that, and the rice should be cooked and soft, and the chicken should be 74 degrees C and lovely charred skin.